Did you know your Singer 8280 can sew buttons for you? All you need is the darning plate and the button foot. Remove the presser foot and attach the darning plate. Make sure the short side of the darning plate from the hole is facing towards you. If you flip it the other way, your needle won't line up. You can always test by turning your hand wheel towards you. And now attach the button foot. In fact, the darning plate is used to cover the teeth so that the fabric doesn't move forward while we stitch. Also, these blue rubber tips on the button sewing foot are designed to hold your button firmly in place so it doesn't slip under the needle. So once you place the button, make sure that your needle is aligned with the buttonhole and set your machine to straight stitch number 2. Do not pedal yet. Use the hand wheel, turn it towards you and then stitch 3 times. Now set your machine to zigzag stitch and using your hand wheel check if the needle is hitting the button. If it's hitting the button, you will have to adjust the stitch width to match the distance between the holes of your button. Okay, now it's perfect and the needle has cleared both holes perfectly. Once aligned, I'm switching on my machine and sewing about 6 to 7 stitches. To finish, once again I'm setting my machine to straight stitch number 2 and sew about 3 stitches for a secure hold. And just like that, perfectly attached in seconds. Now some of you will love this speed while others prefer the classic way, and honestly, even though this is cool, I personally still love hand sewing my buttons. There's something relaxing about it. But for big projects, this machine method is a winner. What about you? Are you a team machine or team hand sewing? Let me know in the comments.